Hello, kids. B and D can be tricky, right? Sometimes they look like twins. But don't worry, I have a simple way to help you remember. B has a big belly. D has a big back. Let's learn how to trace alphabet B first. Draw a straight line, then a round tummy. Let's learn how to trace alphabet D. Start with a straight line, then make a round back behind it. Just remember, B belly in front, D back behind. Now you'll never mix them up again. Let's try together.
B stands tall with its belly in front, like a bear that's ready to jump. First comes a line, then a bump so round. That's how the letter B is found. D has a back like a big old door, standing tall on the classroom floor. First the line, then a bump behind. That's how you keep D in mind. B is like a bat and then a ball. D has a drum standing tall. Look at the shapes, don't get confused. R, B, and D are easy